The air needs to circulate in your laundromat all the time. It's one of the biggest lessons I can teach you that I learned from an architect building my third laundromat. He said, Keenan, do you realize you could turn the air conditioning actually up a little bit? You could turn the heat down a little bit in the winter if you put some fans in. Circulate the air. Let people feel the air moving past their skin. And you know what? That guy was right. So in this video, we're going to talk about fans.
Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching.
I want to talk about a really important thing in a laundromat. Fans. Now I don't mean my YouTube fans. You guys are great and everything, but in a laundromat, one of the things I learned building my third laundromat was it isn't about how much air conditioning you have. It isn't about how much heat you have for your space. Like right now it's cool in here, but I feel warm. And the reason I feel warm is because air isn't moving. It gets stale in a laundromat. And I actually happen to have gotten a fan here, a NEWAIR fan, to replace another fan. Because the second thing I'm going to teach you about fans is, it isn't always how big the fan is, it's how many CFMs that fan can move. How much air that fan can move and how quiet it can run. Because I'm going to tell you what, I've got fans in here that are old, and I'm going to show you one that I can't even do this video and talk over. Now like this fan, it's really quiet. I can actually do this video and talk while it's running. We won't have a problem. You don't want to have real noisy fans in your laundromat because what happens? Your customers can't hear the TV. They can't talk to each other. Laundromats are a social place. A lot of people go to your laundromats to hang out. A lot of people go to laundromats to hang out while they do their laundry with their friends, people they know down the street, people they don't even know. They'll socialize. But if you got fans in there like what I have here that are old and noisy and very loud, that's hard for them to do. It's uncomfortable. You want to make your customers comfortable. Like I said before, the three things you want to do in your laundromat is keep it clean, keep all the equipment running, and keep them comfortable. And they'll keep coming back. Let's dig in. Now here's the fan I got in my laundromat. Now we're going to use our fancy Alexa app. I have smart plugs and all that. Go back in my videos down below and look at it. You'll see a bunch of videos. My friend Hot Dogging with Dan also came up with this idea. I can't take credit for it. Like I've said before, genius. But down in my other videos I talk about it. I show some of the stuff I used. And here I am. There you go. Fans, different walls, the bathroom. So let's turn the front fan on. There we go. Now you're going to hear how loud it is. And we're going to compare this to the other fan. And we're going to figure out, is this fan okay or is the next one even better? Now I don't have this one set up on my fancy app yet. So let's turn it on. This is the first speed. This is the lowest setting. That's medium setting. Now this is high setting. Now the first thing we're going to have to do is take out the old fan. I got 3 bolts I got to remove. It just plugs into an outlet. The new fan, real simple, it has a cord also. So it'll actually be able to bolt right up and mount right up to where this is at. Let's get started. Now the bracket there has 3 mounting holes in the center. It's there, in the center, and then over there. Mine's lined up a little different, but it still fit perfectly fine. I'll come in tomorrow and drill the other 2 holes. I just want to get this thing up there and see what she can do. Now, for most people, you won't have to take it this far apart. I took the bracket out because I was laying out holes in that. I like to have the bracket off so when I mount it to something, I can drill into it. That's one reason I did it, but you don't have to get that crazy. Now we just put the simple cover back on. And it's got a tab on the top. It lines up. It's got a tab at the top that lines up. Then all you do is you just push your little tabs down. Like that. I usually like to go opposite sides. So we make sure that we evenly put it back on there, because I've been known to. And we check to make sure we got them all. There it is. It's hooked in there. Now all we gotta do is run our cord up there. Nice thing too about this cord I didn't talk about is it's a nice long cord. What's nice too about this fan is it's got a built-in surge protector. It's not cheap, it's not a cheap wire. It's on. That's why I like Amazon Alexa, and it works well with the NEWAIR fan. That's a lot better. That fan's putting out more now than I was putting out before. Smaller, lightweight, compacted. I could even take this thing and mount it way up in the corner or up higher, which I probably will do. I'll probably get away from where it's mounted now. I don't like to keep things too low for the customers. They'll see that and they'll start turning it. Next thing you know, they'll take the thing home. I don't blame them. It's a nice fan. I'd take it home any day. Now I want to talk about this fan. It's really well constructed. I mean, it's all steel. It will hold up really well to the kind of customers you're going to get in a laundromat. This is the NEWAIR fan. This is a 20-inch wall mount. Now this is the fan on low speed, and I'm talking to you. Let me put it on medium and see how she does. Now I'm still able to talk to you, and it's not too loud. This is how loud it gets at high speed, to give you a comparison. So I wanted to give a big shout out to a couple people. I want to give a shout out to Sam, Mickey, and Martin. 3 people I talked to about laundromats in the last 2-3 weeks. Just want to give a shout out to those 3 individuals. Good luck to you, and I can't wait to hear your stories as you go along. I'd like to give a big shout out to NEWAIR for sending me this fan. They reached out to me and they sent me this fan. They knew I had that fan and they saw it in a video and they said, man, that thing's so loud. We got something way better. And they're not kidding. I plan on getting a couple more of these for the laundromat because they're so quiet. I mean, right now I'm just talking to you normal. I know I was yelling a minute ago, but that's because I'm a loud talker. But I mean, this fan's a lot better than what I had. That thing, look how big the back of the housing is. I'd like to thank NEWAIR for sending me this fan. There'll be an affiliate link down in the description below for this fan with a code you can use if you want to buy one. People have been asking me about products I put in my laundromats, so I'm starting to put affiliate links. Like I said before, there's never a dull moment at laundromats. There's always something to repair, or replace, or build, or somebody to chase out. Until next time, be safe, take it easy.